We know that as a hotel owner, your goal is to drive more direct bookings. Business Advantage lets you do just that. You'll get access to industry-leading tools to showcase the best of your property, differentiate from competitors, and impact critical traveler booking decisions. Let me show you how it works. Hand-select your favorite photos, including a cover photo, that best show off your property. It's all about telling your story, your way, with a blend of your best photos and a great review. With Business Advantage, you can show your favorite traveler review in the second highest position in the default sort. We can auto-select your top pick in any language you choose. Business Advantage contact details puts millions of potential guests just a click or call away from your direct booking channel. You can add up to 4 preferred contact methods, like website, phone number, and email to your hotel listing page. Tap into your mobile audience by activating one-click calling from any mobile device with click-to-call. Special offers help you stand out even more. They're highlighted in the area of listing pages that travelers engage with most. And you can attract different traveler types by customizing your offers based on traveler search dates. You have the option to run up to 3 offers simultaneously. The Analytics Suite gives you access to key trends and performance indicators on your property, competitors, and online visitors. Unlock exclusive insights like photo engagement, click activity, and competitor comparisons. Business Advantage helps you own your online presence on Tripadvisor, so you can drive more direct bookings and tell your story your way. Get started at tripadvisor.com/businessadvantage.